Ayan o.
Oh. Blue.
In the left corner, the loser. And the right corner, the new challenger. Alam mo, backward ha? Shake hands. Are you ready?
Ready?
Are you ready? The audience, are you ready?
Yeah! Let's get it on!
Let's get it on! Nagtutukan yung buhangin. The loser! We go! Oh! The Teletubbies! The fall of Teletubbies!
Ano na, ako na kalaban mo. Hindi pa nananalo. Game! Kanya ka muna, Pepe na. Pinakatalo mananalo dyan. Siyempre, talo ka eh.
Look at his face! He's so disappointing!
Bilis pa lang yung buko ngayon sa akin.
What do you represent?
Gold's Gym.
Representing what?
Gold's Gym.
Yeah! How about you, nigga?
Slim Fit.
Stupid audience! Soccer!
Let's get it on!
Referee! Mua! Let's get it on!
Yeah, dude! Ibang-block mo yung ulo mo. Sa walang damit! Sa walang damit! Sa pula! Sa walang damit!
Backward!
Sama backward! Ako ba mapatok ang ulo? Wala. Mahina ka naman lupa.
Patay siya eh.
Hindi mo na naramdaman yung lakas ko. May tutulak. Dugo.
Blood! Blood!
Ayun na. Ayun. Bloody win.
Blood!
Bloody win.
This is a bloody fight, man! Hindi nga lang referee.
Magaling mo tama sisira yan.
I'm the referee now! And I'm the loser!
Manny Pacquiao, man.
Okay! Dadasal po! In the right corner, the Teletubbies. And the left corner, the champion. Whatever. Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Tadong Pinoy.
In the center! The two of you! In the center! Putangin na mo, gumagulo! In the count of 3! The fight is game!
Let's get it on!
Let's get it on! Bumawi ka! Yeah! Yeah! Yo! Oh, there's the champion, and here comes the loser! Teletubbies! Manny Pacman! Hey! How are you? Lipad pa, putang na!
Bad trip.